how to restore missing or deleted files in the Files app on the iPhone 15 or the 15 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen or in the app screen, open up Files. Then in Files, we go down. So go down in here, tap on Recently Deleted. In the trash bin, you want to tap on the More button, then tap on Select. Once you are in a selection mode, select the files that you want to restore. If there are a lot of items in your trash bin, you can also use the search function to find your missing file. Here I'm going to select 2 files. Then we go down and tap on Recover. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key and then go back to your local storage and then check to make sure those files have been restored. And then you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.